Welcome to Smithtown Toyota, New York's premier Toyota certified pre-owned dealer, located near you in Smithtown, New York. Some New Yorkers expect the best. Some look for the best. You found the best right here with this.
Like this 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche equipped with cloth interior, dual-zone air conditioning, CD player, heated mirrors, 4-wheel anti-lock brakes, traction control, 4-wheel drive, driver and passenger side airbag, vehicle anti-theft system, rear head airbag, side head airbag, and power driver seat, driven with care for 53,284 miles, makes this Avalanche an easy choice for you.
Schedule a test drive online and save an additional $200 off our exclusive internet price. Why wait? Smithtown Toyota has what you are looking for.